Welcome back to Charity Farms. My name is Teresa, but you can call me T. Today we are going to make a delicious beef curry. This came to my mind because I wanted red meat and I also wanted to use coconut milk. And I figured, why not beef curry? I like curry. I just didn't want to do a lot of spice. My husband and I have no problem with spice, but there are days when we just don't want a very high heat tolerance. So our heat tolerance was a little lower on this one, but typically you can actually adjust depending on how much you want for your scorch level, and that is actually in this video as well. You can serve this with egg noodles, rice, or potato. There's already potatoes in there if you wanted extra potatoes on top of that, or if you want to put it on green beans would be another one, or asparagus. This would be delicious on anything that you would actually want to serve it on top of. I hope you enjoy it. Here's the video. First, grab a pan or Dutch oven. I choose a Dutch oven to ensure even cooking all the way through. Then add 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter to the pan to melt. While your butter is melting, prepare your beef cubes. Place 1 pound of cubed beef into the pan and cook with salt and pepper for about 3 minutes. Then pull aside temporarily. While the beef is cooking, slice 2 to 3 medium onions. Once the meat has been removed, place the onions in a pan and simmer until soft. This usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, add the cooked beef back to the pan. Depending on your scorch level, add a half teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of Cajun Creole, half to 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, half to 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, a half to 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. Then add 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, and 1 can of unsweetened coconut milk, followed by 4 cups of bone broth. Mix all of your seasonings, then add 3 to 4 diced medium new potatoes to the pan. Simmer on low heat until the potatoes are soft. Then add 1 can of diced green chilies. Simmer for another 3 minutes and serve on noodles, rice, green beans, or asparagus. Doesn't that look mouth-watering? I hope you give this recipe a try. Thanks for joining. Until next time, I bless you. Bye.